Let's make this pretty puppy. Take a 1 meter long Phoenix female bunny stick. Leave about 9 centimeters and wrap it around the index finger 4 times. The long stick and the short stick are crossed tightly. Let's adjust the 4 circles and make the 4th circle bigger. The long stick goes through these 4 circles to make the ears of it. Leave a finger wide and pinch the ears a little bit. The long stick goes around from the left side and still goes through these 4 circles to make the left ear of it. Keep a finger wide like the right side. The long stick goes around from the back. Let's look at the 1st and 2nd circles and flatten it a little bit. Go through the 3rd and 4th circles and tighten it. In the 3rd and 4th circles, we exchange the position with the Phoenix female bunny stick. It is the position of the nose and mouth of puppy. Pull the big circle in the middle to adjust the gusset of the puppy. Pinch the head and press it a little bit. The long stick and the short stick are crossed tightly. Next is to make the 4 legs. After the front leg is done, make a circle around the body. The front legs should be kept the same or a little bit shorter than the front legs. Then make the hind legs and the hind legs. The rest of the parts are all wrapped around the body. Tighten the 4 legs from the root and twist them in the opposite direction from left to right. After that, we bend the body. Lift the head, put the 4 legs down, and tilt the tail. It's good to be able to stand like this. Let's pick up all the hair in the body. Then brush it with a brush. Let's first locate the position of the nose. Cut the hair at the position of the nose and stick it on the nose. Sticking the nose first mainly plays the role of positioning. This makes it easier for us to fix the hair and make it more symmetrical. Cut the nose, on the top of the nose and the position of the sides of the gauze. Make it rounder. We need to trim the chin and the neck. Cut out the curve. Trim the hair of the nose and the forehead. Locate the position of the eyes. We also trim the hair of the eyes. It's convenient for us to paint the background. Cut out the mouth at the bottom of the nose. Brush the hairs. Then we start to paint. We don't talk much about painting. You can find some beautiful pictures and save them. When painting, we can first paint its outer outline. Then focus on painting. When you paint, you need to paint a small number of times. Don't paint too much at once. After painting the body, we also paint the ears and the mouth. Locate the position of the eyes. We put the eyes on. Use a comb to trim the messy hair. A cute little puppy is done.